Hello, and thanks for joining us on a brand new Expert Talk. Today, we're talking about anxiety, depression, and ADD with our ADD expert, Dr. Stanford Owen. Thanks so much for joining us, as always.
Thank you.
Let's link the two. How is anxiety and depression linked to ADD?
Well, they're separate issues, but they're often comorbidities. Patients often have anxiety and depression. And I like to take a simple approach to everything if I can, but especially these two. And I measure everything in my clinic on a 0 to 10 scale. 0, no anxiousness, 10, constant panic. 0, no depression, 10, thoughts of suicide. Where are you on that scale? The patients that I treat are 7, 8, 9, 10, and the goal is to get them down below 3.
Okay.
If they're anxious, I'll look at why are they anxious. Sometimes just treating the ADD makes anxiety go away, and the depression will disappear with treatment of the ADD. Nothing better for anxiety or depression than success. So just that one element out of the way, you then can look at the underlying condition. Sometimes it's insomnia and we have to get the patient sleeping better. Sometimes they literally need an antidepressant added into the treatment regimen. And sometimes they're bipolar, which is a severe form of depression, and we have to get the bipolar illness under control before we actually treat the ADD. So it's quite complex, but it can actually be pretty simple when you're ironing these things out.
And I think that's one of the things with a lot of people. They think it's going to be so complex, but like you just said, it can be very simple. Can you elaborate on that?
Yeah, it's much more simple than I actually thought it was before I totally treated ADD.
Right.
And I've used all the antidepressants ever made. Many times I never have to use an anti-anxiety agent or an antidepressant because the patient functions so much better.
Right.
And it's one of those duh things, but success causes lack of anxiety and depression. There you go.
There you go. All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Owen, once again for joining us. And thank you. And if you want to watch this episode again, just head to our website, wxxv25.com.